Now let's see whether we can make a water level. Now I have two cutouts, one on each side, and I'll cut it through the middle. We can put that hose inside, and that'll give me the level. And a piece of clear hose that will be inserted here. This hose has to be flattened somewhat and squeezed under. Glue in these two filler strips. Now that these two inserts dry, I'll put on the other side. Now this is the side panel of the fresh water tank. I'll have to make an opening out here and then from the back slide this in. Got the fill dish here. It has to be as high as possible on this panel. So we got two openings. Now I'll use the bit to follow the pattern that I already cut in the other piece of wood, just to make an exact copy in here. That's one. These will become my doors. And now it's a matter of slowly easing it in to get it fit. And then as a final fit, that's the door. Now you have the top door and the bottom door. Now you have to make an access hole to open it up. And to be sure that both holes are at relatively the same position, what I'll do is I'll tape both pieces together and then drill the holes in one at the same time. Okay. Now we have the same holes. And that's the one at the top. And that's the one at the bottom. And as a temporary mock-up, this is how it's gonna look like. Remove the door and then open the dump faucet. I'll give it a last wax treatment. Let's first try it out. I'm going to use a thread locker to prevent these bolts to come off. Okay, that's done. And we still have the access hole for the release, the spare tire release button. And we close it off with the original cap. This is the rear of the van. The bed is behind the camera. And then at this location, up to this window, that's about 20 inches, I have a closet. Then I'll create a rear kitchen that goes from side to side. The kitchen is about 3 feet high, the kitchen surface, that's this level. The countertop will be at least 15 inches, but very likely between 15 and 18 inches. So I got about 5 inches left. And I'll make a cubby, a hidden cubby, probably with a butcher block on top. In this area there will be a induction cooktop, one that I can use inside or lift it out and use it outside of the van. Then all the way towards the back, so if the countertop comes up to here, I'll have about this area left, which is about 5 inches deep. And I'll probably leave that as a open storage area, something I can put in my fruits. I will put a window frame around the window, probably up to here, and then create in this area hopefully a small rack. I'll have the fill dish for the water tank, goes in here, hose over there, and then into the tank. Got a relief here, got a water level here. You can see that that's the full height of the tank, so I can read out how much water will be in the tank. Then I got 2 cubbies here. One for a dump valve here that goes through the floor, and on top there's a quick connect for a garden hose, and the garden hose itself is a coiled hose that will store in this area and will be accessible from this side. I still have to do a few little things. First of all, put a lacquer on most of the surfaces, put some Formica on, a few little things, but then I'll try to install the whole thing next week. So see you next week. Take care. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.